Want your party to really stand out? Set up a dance instruction kit that teaches your guests a few moves. They'll laugh, they'll learn, and they'll definitely remember it. Add a mini dance mat or a bandana to the kit. And let's talk hip-hop style. Nothing says fun quite like gold chain necklaces or custom airbrushed t-shirts. Choosing a party hip-hop shirt makes your audience want to dance. Create bold designs that shout hip-hop culture. These favors do more than look good. They make everyone part of the scene. By getting hands-on with your DIY, you turn ordinary favors into epic keepsakes that fit your party's vibe. Check out ravensdesignshop.com to buy a party hip shop shirt. What a wonderful party gift. Your guests will talk about your party long after the beat drops, because these party hip-hop shirts are truly something special. Please like and subscribe to partyhiphop.com. Thanks for watching.